welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. So today's video is a plus size try on haul, which I haven't done in quite a long time, so I'm really excited to show you all the pieces that I got. A brand called Plushe reached out to me and asked if they could send me some of their pieces so that I can show you guys. They sell plus size clothing, beautiful pieces. They have an insane variety of options on their website. I will have their website plus all the links to all of the items that I bought listed in the description. But yes, their website has so many amazing options. Their clothes feel like really good quality. They have a huge variety of options on their website for plus size people, so that is extremely exciting to see. More brands catering for plus size people and offering a variety of different options. That is super exciting. But I have 5 pieces here. I have 5 different dresses that I picked out. I picked out dresses because I knew we were going into summer, so it just made sense for me to get like a range of dresses that I could show you. They are all quite different, so you'll get to see the range of style that you have available to you on their website. But yes, like I said, all the links will be listed down below, and if you want to see all the dresses that I picked out, then just keep on watching. Okay, so when you get the package, it comes in a packet, like a delivery packet, and then inside each of the items of clothing are packaged in these nice little sealable bags, which I think is so cute. So this first piece is such a beautiful flowy dress, literally one of my favorites. Out of all of them, this one is one of my favorites. I got this in a 4XL. I definitely could have done a 3XL because this dress it doesn't have much restriction. The only part that is a little bit restricted is the part underneath your breasts. That part has a little cinch, but the arm straps are adjustable. There's a little metal clasp here that you can adjust the length of these straps. And then it has this flowy piece of material that hangs off of your arm. It's super pretty. You will see it in the try on portion. It's green. I'm not really a green girl, but I loved the style of this dress so much that I just had to pick it up. And then in the front here, it opens up completely, so it's a complete open up situation, but it's this beautiful off the shoulder dress, and I'm so obsessed. This was definitely a pleasant surprise because I didn't know how I was going to feel about the green. So the material has this beautiful floral print on it. I love this piece. Super excited to wear this in the summer. The dress does come with a belt, so if you feel like the waist is a little bit too loose on you, you can tie it up. And the belt is quite long. It's got quite a bit of length, so you can definitely make a bow in the back or in the front, however you feel like. And the belt is made of the same material as the dress. This next piece is one of my favorites as well. It's so pretty. As soon as I saw it on the website, I just had to have it. So again, individually wrapped. This one I got in a 6XL. I literally just chose everything in the biggest size that they have, and with this one I could have definitely done a 4XL easily because the material of the dress is stretchy, which I must have overlooked when I was picking out the pieces. It's such a pretty pink color. It's rose gold, as you can see, but it's this beautiful, mini dress. It's not really mini. It hits below the knee. It's got this keyhole in the back and then a button at the top, and then I'm pretty sure it has a zip on the side. Is it this? Yes, it has a zip on the side, which you definitely don't need because this dress is super stretchy. It has a belt around the waist, so you can definitely cinch your waist in if you needed to. The only thing that I will say about this is that the sequins on the dress does come off, and you will find it everywhere. It doesn't matter where you tried it on, it'll definitely travel around the house with you. you will probably be finding these for a very long time to come after you wear this. But it's super cute. The arms are cinched in, so the dress has an elasticated wrist, which is really nice because then the dress material doesn't dip into things when you're busy. It kind of cuffs at the wrist, which is beautiful. Love that. And then it's just this plain simple skater dress. It's basically skater style, and it's super shiny, super glamorous, if you will. I don't know where I'm gonna wear that, but it's definitely a night out kind of dress. This next piece I got in a 4XL, and this I would say is a little bit of a mini dress. I love this red color. It's so pretty. This pattern on the material is absolutely pretty as well. So it's this red little mini dress that you see here. The top is crisscrossed, but it's a very modest crisscross, so you don't have to worry about anything slipping out. The arms are very flowy and loose and big, so that's going to accommodate a lot of people. And then it has an elasticated waist just below your bust, and then there is a seam just before your knees, which is super cute. This whole design is beautiful. I love it so much. This is also one of my favorite pieces. Actually, all of these pieces are one of my favorites. But this red color, so pretty. And because it flares out at the bottom because of that one seam, I just love it even more. So I'm definitely happy I got this. This next one was the first piece that I put in my cart. I was like drawn to it immediately when I saw it. Love it so much. I got this in a 5XL, and I will say this is quite tight on me, but then again, I feel like that's the point. The dress in the front does not stretch at all, but the entire back is stretchy material. So it's this halter neck, beautiful multicolored sequins dress. So this sequence doesn't come off like the other one, but there is some like black filings that kind of fall off when you're putting this on. But how stunning is this dress? Please just look at it. So this is the neck, and it's got a zip down the back, and this reflective sequence in the front is just absolutely beautiful. I'm obsessed. Then it flows out into this like navy dark sequence, and then the front, the lining of the dress, so the dress has lining. The lining of the dress in the front is slightly shorter than this mesh material, so a little bit of the bottom is just mesh on your legs. It's so pretty. It's literally one of the prettiest dresses I've ever owned. I'm so obsessed with this. I also don't know how I'm gonna wear this, but this is definitely for a special occasion. I love this green, blue, yellow, like this multicolored reflection from the sequins. Stunning. And then the last piece that I got, this one I wasn't so sure about. I definitely thought it wasn't gonna fit. I got this in a 4XL. It's this beautiful white dress that looks like it's been embroidered. It's got this embroidery pattern all over the dress, the entire dress. So the arms have a little frill at the end. It's got a zip going down the back, but when you put it on, you just put it on over your head. Then it's got the seam underneath your bust. I have quite a large bust, so it does sit just a smidge tight on my bust area, and then on my arms it is a little bit tight as well. But this just gave me, you know, basket in the garden picking flowers vibes. That's what I thought as soon as I saw it, and I just love that. So I like this dress. It's super cute, it's super modest, it's very you know, it's long on me. I'm not the tallest person in the world, but it's quite long on me, and I like the different variety of dresses that I picked out. So yeah, these are all from Plushe. Their website has an insane amount of options. So if you want to see what they have, definitely click the link in my description box. And yeah, that is everything that I have for you guys today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check me out on my Instagram and my Facebook. If you're on Facebook a lot, when I post a new video, you can get it sent to your feed. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one.